Good morning. Today's video is all about broken wires in the trunk or the boot, and so I've removed on a Volkswagen Phaeton. I've removed this cover, very easy. You've got one screw there, one screw there. They look like this little rubber deal thing that comes off, and then of course you've got this, which is held on by clips. Now I've got a US spec version, and the US spec has a lever control in here in case anybody's locked in the boot. Very gangster, isn't it? But it's good if you get caught in a boot in America in a Phaeton, because you can have an aluminous handle, which you don't get on the German spec, I do believe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Anyway, so what was going on? On both my Phaetons, I've got a US spec and a German one. The Volkswagen badge, micro switch, it's just not doing its job. I can hear the switch clicking, and I'm like, with experience, the micro switches don't really go bad. They last a long time. So it must be the wiring. So we got this plastic thing, which goes something like that. Actually, yeah, it goes in there like that, and I've removed that. You have to separate the two halves, and first of all I'm looking in here. I pulled this down. As you can see, there's some damage there, and there's a broken wire. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a repair here. I'm using like helicopter crimps, like that, what we use on aircraft, and they're going to fix it. Well, that's it. I'll show you the repair later. Okay then, bye.